all Sierra Leonean citizens have the right to access quality services in education, in health, in water and in energy, wherever they are in the country. We at Christian Aid are most passionate about seeing positive results and change in the lives of our poor and marginalized communities. Because in these communities, 60 to 65% of Sierra Leoneans live at the biting end of poverty. So we really want to see change, and change should happen now.
What SABI is trying to do is to bring together citizens with their state service providers and government representatives such that they can identify challenges in accessing services in the education, health, social welfare, energy and water sectors. We know that if government wants to improve their services, they need to know what the experiences of citizens are in accessing them. Within SABI, we've developed what we call a citizen perception survey, which we use to interview citizens about their experiences of accessing services in all 14 districts of the country.
I dey go house to house and talk to the people and ask them small questions. I collect the data from the people then I call a community meeting back for can present the evidence. I come and show them, say, now this una tell me. Then after that, we do action planning. The community people take the challenge, say, well, this now we problem. We have to face our problem. Whatever situation come our way, we have to conquer it.
Once we've gathered that data, we'll be compiling it and sharing it back with the community from where it's gathered, also with their traditional leaders and their government administrative structures, at the district level and at the national level. So we hope to coordinate a national response to the challenges that are identified and the actions that are planned to overcome those issues. We're also working with BBC Media Action, which is producing a weekly radio programme called We the People, and that tries to raise awareness about rights and entitlements to services.
Cabo and welcome. This is a new BBC Media Action radio programme.
We the People, a social accountability programme.
In this program, it's a mixed bag of everything. Discussion, interviews, packages. We have drama as well.
Mosquito.
They're going to the so-called you blood.
Papaya, malaria, blackout.
And after the drama, that dramatize what exactly the episode is going to talk about, then we'll take the discussion down to the community people. Till we meet again.
We the woman, them we don't tie, we oja, we want sabi.
Right now within Masheka, we just don't get a meeting, including Empowerment Chief. We just don't present evidence to them. The SABI program collects from the field. They don't find solution to how they go able to address that particular issue. So then decide as a committee, then go engage and council them.
As chairman of council, we for engage international donor agencies, local NGOs, for see how they can come on board, for help, for make sure say we provide the necessary development for we people then. If that is the case, I want to encourage everybody for follow the example of SABI. I think that will make we all go work as a team.
We the woman, them we don't tie, we oja. We want SABI.
We see SABI as having a critical role in terms of getting people being at the center of the development process. We've provided funding for the project for 4 years, recognizing that these processes take time. So we are actually hoping that this investment will have a life beyond our actual funding and that it will become part of the reality of service delivery in Sierra Leone.
We wish for you to analyze some of the constraints there.
SABI don't come in my community for can know what we constraints in the community. How education they go on, how health they go on in the community.
They gather the information from the people.
They really don't make we understand what we write and what not we write. So we really appreciate SABI because they link we with the government. Go sell the message to the people.
We hope that from the SABI program, and as a result of the government interventions, citizens would find themselves in a position where they would feel that they have articulated their views and become productive citizens of Sierra Leone.
Ultimately, SABI wants to contribute towards improvements in these services. It's about recognising that there are challenges throughout the system and that we all have a responsibility and a role to play in identifying them and overcoming them.
We want SABI. We the people, them we want SABI. Them and themselves, we don't engage in with Restless. We want SABI.
And Tata will meet back. I say, Tata.